Yeah guys, it's true. Xiaomi's CEO introduced today the Xiaomi Redmi Note 7 smartphone, the first phone that's a part of the new Redmi sub-brand. So the specification of this smartphone is totally leaked out as well as an unboxing video. So the phone has a 48 megapixel camera with Samsung's ISOCELL Bright GM1 sensor, Snapdragon 660 chipset, massive screen and battery, while costing just $150. Yeah guys, you hear me right, this is the next budget king. So having said that, the 6.3 inches LCD comes with a water drop notch for the selfie camera and Gorilla Glass on top. The resolution is Full HD Plus, and Redmi said that the screen to body ratio of this smartphone is 84%. I know the Qualcomm chipset might be a bit old, but it's still plenty fast and its CPU runs at 2.2 GHz. So there will be 3 variants of this smartphone. One with 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage, and 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of storage. And there is a micro SD slot as well. So guys, let's talk about the main thing about this phone, the camera. The main camera is clearly the biggest selling point of this new phone. Its native resolution is 48 megapixel. But due to its quad Bayer filter, it's better used for outputting 12 megapixel images with large 1.6 pixels and real-time HDR. There is a secondary 5 megapixel shooter for AI purposes, and portrait mode, the selfie camera is 13 megapixel. And also I have a picture which is taken from the Xiaomi Redmi Note 7's camera. Yeah guys, this is an official picture which is taken from this phone, even though this is in a bad quality. Having said that, if we talk about its battery life, the battery has 4000 mAh of capacity and supports Qualcomm's quick charge 4. The Redmi Note 7 has a USB-C port and comes with a regular 5V and 2A charger in the box. So yeah guys, this is the Xiaomi Redmi Note 7. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.